Why one should meditate? A complete human being, consists of spiritual aspect as well as physical aspect. Today's world becoming more faster tempo than previous, with the high-speed train, the airplane, people's step become more and more fast. This is also explosive information society. There are too much coming to our ears, coming to our eyes, or coming to our taste. But Taoist, very important advice from Taoist practitioner is never lose yourself. There are many different aspects of things around us, but don't forget oneself. Wellness means don't forget yourself. Of course, finally, I would extend my wish for all the practitioners home and abroad. Wish you to obtain your 福寿康宁 to, raise the quality of your life.